Want ways to use your own voice for navigation? In this video, I'll show you how to record and use your own voice on Waze step by step. First, open the Waze app and tap the menu icon. Then, select Settings and tap Voice and Sound. Under Voice Directions, choose Waze Voice. Look for the option to record a new voice. Give your voice a name, then start recording each navigation phrase when Waze prompts you. Speak clearly and make sure your microphone is working properly. After recording the phrases, save your voice back and select it as your navigation voice. Waze will then use your recorded voice for supported directions and alerts while you navigate. If you want to change back to a standard Waze voice, return to the voice settings and select one of the available voices. That's how to use your own voice on Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.